Hi, today we're going to see how to place an image inside the text in Photopea. So the first thing we need to do is to select our type tool, left click here and then select type tool. So for the font I'm going to use Anton. For the size I'm going to use 900 pixels since my image is 1920 by 1280. So here it is, and now I'm just going to left click and then type my text. So here it is. Now select the move tool. Now I'm going to place my text in the center. So here there are these lines here will help you to center the text. And now I'm going to place my text under my image layer, this one here. Select the image layer, right click on it, and then select clip in mask. So as you can see, the image took the shape of our text, of the layer under it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to right click, merge down, and now I'm going to create a new layer to add the background to our text here. Left click here, place the layer under the text. Now I'm going to select the pen bucket tool. For the color, I'm going to use the white color, left click. So here it is. And now I'm just going to add some styles here to this layer here, to this text. Right click on it, select blending options. And now I'm just going to add the bevel and emboss. As you can see, it gives it a little bit quite good effect here. And now I'm going to add a drop shadow to it. So here it is. So for the distance, I'm going to increase it. So here I'm going to place it here like this. So the size is going to control the blur of our shadow. So here like this, I'm going to add a little bit. And for the spread, I'm just going to control size here, the overall size of the shadow spread. So here it is. I'm going to reduce it. So I'm just going to, and this is for the opacity, of course. So I'm just going to leave it here like this, press OK. So here it is. That's how you can place an image inside the text in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.